How to verify age on Roblox with school ID. To verify your age on Roblox with school ID, what we will do is we will simply open our browser and we will go to roblox.com instead of from the app. So open your browser and go to roblox.com and log into your account. Once done, tap the gear icon from the top right hand side and go to the option called settings. From there, you want to simply scroll over here and you can see under birthday there are two ways to verify our birthday or our age. One is we can use a camera. So this is actually a new feature which will basically use the camera to check your face and whether or not it matches your birth information. Or second is you can continue with your ID. So if your school ID has a valid date of birth of you, then you can try to input that particular ID as well. Especially if it is a government school ID, then that will be even better in this case. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial and see you soon in the next video.